Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link your Payoneer account to your TikTok so that you can withdraw your money. Alright guys, this is very simple. If you want to do that, head to your TikTok profile and click on these three lines at the top right corner. Then go to settings and privacy. After that, go to your balance. Now from here, you're going to have to click on the gift revenue. Alright, click on this gift revenue option, and then you're going to find your total balance on TikTok. So what you want to do right now is to click on this withdraw button. Then after clicking on that, we're going to add a payout method, a new payout method. Right, so this Payoneer payout method is only available in some countries, not or in all countries. So I think one of the country is Algeria. So I'm going to click on these drop down icon at the top of my screen to change my region to Algeria. So this tutorial is basically for those people who these Payoneer payout method is available in their country. So I'm going to click on this done at the top right corner of my screen after selecting the country, and as you can see right here, I now have the Payoneer payout method right here. So what I have to do right now is select the Payoneer option, and after that, 4-digit code will be sent to my TikTok phone number. So let me get that immediately. Alright, so after entering the code, you'll be sent to this page. This is the withdrawals instruction page. So you just have to carefully read these instructions right here. Then once you're done with that, click on the agree and continue button. Alright, so after clicking on that, then you have to enter your Payoneer registration email address. Alright, so I'm going to type that right now. Okay, and then click on the link account button. Alright, so after that, the next thing you have to do is to enter your Payoneer registration email address, and then you have to enter your password as well. And after that, click on the sign in button. So I'm going to quickly do that again, and password is right, let me type my password. All right. Okay, so once you're done with that, click on the sign in button. And it will start processing to start adding your Payoneer account to your TikTok account. All right, it's still processing. Let's wait for some few seconds. All right, so as you can see right here, I have successfully linked my Payoneer account to my TikTok account. Now, as you can see, it's right here. So you can find this instruction that says minimum amount to withdraw is at least $1. So if you don't have up to $1, you have to wait until you get up to $1 before you can be able to withdraw your fund from your TikTok account to your Payoneer account, and then it will take at least one business day to arrive on your Payoneer account. Then you can withdraw from your Payoneer account to your bank account. All right, guys, this is all about it. Hope this tip was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and equal subscribe to this channel if you are new to this channel. And also, if you have any question regarding this video, do it to drop your comment in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.